Assalamu alaikum my dear student. How are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIEVS home school. This is Sonia Khan Joya, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift, Dhaka. Now I am going to take an English first paper class for the student of 6th class student, and our today's topic is lesson 5 discussion. Look at the board student. Our today's topic is E.F.T lesson 5 exercise B1 BCE question and lecture number 4 homework number 2. Okay my dear students, let's start our today's topic. Look at the board student. This is English for today class 6 and lesson 5. Thanks for your work. What is the name of this lesson? Thanks for your work. Number A. Look and say use suitable words from the box to describe the occupation of each person below. Here is newspaper, nurse, cleaner, rickshaw puller, waiter, person. First man is cleaner. Second man is postman. Third is nurse. Fourth is waiter. 5 number is rickshaw puller and 6 number is newspaper hawker. They all are work different types of working. Now let's start our today's topic. B. Read the text about Bulbul and answer the questions below. Bulbul collects rubbish from the Shankar area in Dhaka. Every morning he wakes up at 5 o'clock and walks along the streets of Shankar to collect rubbish. People of Shankar put their rubbish in plastic bins and leave them in front of their houses. Bulbul walks from door to door to collect them. Sometimes the bins are very dirty and they smell bad. But Bulbul does not mind. He takes out everything from the bins and puts them in his van. He believes that all jobs are important. He works hard every day to keep this area clean. Last month, Bulbul was sick for 2 days, so he could not come to collect the rubbish. The people of Shankar were in great trouble. They got piles of rubbish waiting in front of their houses. The whole area became dirty and unhygienic. When Bulbul got well, he came back to Shankar. He collected everything from all the bins. Bulbul does not want to fall sick again. He realizes if he stops working even for a few days only, the whole area will turn into a big dustbin. So student, here is the passage about Bulbul who collect rubbish and clean the area, the Shankar area. Bulbul is a boy, collect rubbish and clean his area. B1. Now ask the answer and question in pairs. Dear student, B1. Here are many questions. Guys, student, here are these questions A to 5. But we will learn only 3 questions. 3 important questions. 3 important question B, C, E. Okay. Now question number B. Where do the people of Shankar put their rubbish? Number B. Number question. Why do the people of Shankar put their rubbish? The people of Shankar put their rubbish in plastic bins. Again I am saying number B. Where do the people of Shankar put their rubbish? The people of Shankar put their rubbish in plastic bins. Number C. Why does Bulbul think that all jobs are important? Bulbul thinks all jobs are important as every job has utility to fulfill one's needs and necessities. E. What will happen if Bulbul falls sick again? The whole area will turn into a big dustbin if Bulbul falls sick again. Okay, again I am saying, what will happen if Bulbul falls sick again? The whole area will turn into a big dustbin if Bulbul falls sick again. So, my dear student, this is our today's topic. In B1 there are many questions, but we will run only B, C and E, these 3 question answer. And your homework number is 2, lesson 5, exercise B1, B, C, E, and submit on Saturday 9 am to 3 pm. And these 3 questions will your homework. Again I am saying, these 3 questions will your homework. So my dear student, I hope all of you students have understood today's topic. Do your homework. See you again inshallah.